Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and has signal, because carrier settings transfer over the network. Open the phone app and tap voicemail at the bottom. This reveals visual voicemail controls when available. If you see a setup button, you have visual voicemail, you can disable notifications or delete greeting there. Once done, note whether voicemail is carrier-based or app-based. That affects the next steps, so keep that in mind as we move forward. Now you decide the path. Visual voicemail can be managed in the Voicemail tab, delete messages, and set a silent greeting to effectively disable it. For carrier voicemail, press and hold 1 to access mailbox and follow the carrier prompts to deactivate, or call customer support to request removal. Alternatively, go to Settings Phone and enable call forwarding to a dead number, or toggle silence unknown callers to reduce unwanted routing. Make sure to test a call after changing these options. Finish by testing. Call your number from another phone to verify voicemail no longer answers or plays a greeting. If voicemail still engages, contact your carrier and ask them to disable or delete the voicemail box on their end. Carrier deactivation is often required. As a quick workaround, change the mailbox password or replace the greeting with a silent file so messages won't be recorded. If problems continue, make sure to reboot the iPhone and recheck network settings before calling carrier support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.